If your Sony WH-CH720N headphones aren't playing sounds on your any iPhone, don't worry, I will guide you through some quick fixes to get them working again. First, make sure your headphones have enough charge and confirm they are connected in your Bluetooth settings properly. If you see it's connected but no sound, for that you have to go to the sound settings on your iPhone and make sure your Sony headphones are selected as the output device. If it's still not playing sound, just forget your Sony device from the Bluetooth settings and restart your iPhone, and at the same time, reset your Sony headphones. Just make sure your headphones is turned off properly. Just press the power button and the middle button at least 10 seconds until the blue light blinks. Then tap and hold the power button at least 5 seconds to make it into pairing mode. Then try to reconnect your headphones to your iPhone, and I hope this fixes your problem. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.